to one of my videos. I'm going to show you how to install the DHCP server. Okay, so we do is we had a rolling. Okay, next, search for the DHCP server. Click on that. We add the feature in, and then we go next, next, and then we'll install this onto the server. This may take a few minutes. What you got to do is you got to click on this commit bit, and what that does, it adds on the actual system. So what I need to do now is I need to actually go to the DHCP manager and create a zone for the actual DHCP. Okay, this will be my configuration now for the DHCP server. So this will be my start IP address and the end IP address, what I want. Okay. So I've got a 10.10.10.30. And the end IP address for this is 10.10.10. This will be a 255. 254. 253 actually. And the length of that, I need that to be 24-bit mask. Click on next. These are exclusions for any delay. If you want to exclude anything, I will put in 10.10.10.30. This will be 32. These are servers what I've got on which I don't want actually to be used as a data from DHCP, so this will actually exclude them. And it will have a delay of 10 seconds. If you've got multiple DHCP servers, you can prioritize each one. And we'll leave this one set up as that standard. We'll click on next, and then we want to configure the scope, so we need to select yes. Okay, after the options. Now we need to actually put in the default gateway for the actual router. And this one is a 10.10.10.1. Click next. Here on this part, you need to actually specify what actually you need for your DNS servers. So you can put in your DNS servers now. And then what you do then is you put in IP address for it. Add that in. And then you click on the next button. We don't have any Win servers, so we don't need that. So we need to activate the scope. Yeah, let's click that one and finish.